Open the computer.
Hi guys, we are using very advanced technology today. We got this from a store for $3. That's like so much money. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi. Personalize your email.
No.
Go
Okay.
to leapfrog.com/.
Okay. The first one, Rayan is going to
Wait.
act.
Guys, I'm going to tell you what we're doing today. If you're confused, we are going to so we're going to play some things like a donkey.
Like,
And then-
I am the technician here. I am the one that's controlling all of this stuff. I am the expert.
Okay.
And we
now-
made a script right there. So, yeah.
Okay, let's
The first one is a donkey. 3, 2, 1. Second one is a piano. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. 3, 2, 1.
Wait. 3, 2.
Okay, 3. Now the next one is I'm late for school. 3, 2,
Wait. Need a
and
Have you checked your email?
shut up.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, you missed it.
I did not.
One more time. One more time.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now this one. We're going to jump.
Okay, now.
And now we're going to shake. Now we're going to do a cat. Act as a cat. Come on. Act as a cat. Okay, now we're going to eat. Eat the apple. Where'd you put the apple?
Oh yeah.
Ah!
That-
Rayan! Ah! Come on.
Here's some
Get the apple! Okay, he's very hungry, so he's getting an apple, but he's doing it very slowly. 3, 2, 1. Okay, he's done eating the apple, finally. That was very messy, Ranch. Okay, next one we're gonna do is, he's gonna dab for us. Okay, Ranch? 3,
Have
2,
you checked your email?
Shut up, Violet. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then he's going to elephant. Elephant. Go, 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 go. And he died. Next one, he's gonna be a robber. Come on,
Okay.
get ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait. You got the stick.
Your email.
Okay.
Go to leapfrog.com.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Next one, we are going to water. Water! Get your water bottle.
Already.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, 3, 2.
There. Next one we're gonna do is clap. Clap. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one we're going to do is hit the drum with the hand. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, which
Go.
one are we doing? Wait.
M. Okay, now we're going to hit it with the stick. The floor. Where's the stick? You should be prepared, Rayach. 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to burp, burp, burp.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Yeah, his burps are very odd, guys. And now we're gonna fall. Fall! Fall!
Okay.
Fall, 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 fall.
2, 1. No, wait, you missed the start.
Yeah, you fell too early, Rayans. 3, 2, 1. Now, next one, we're going to fall like a president. No, you fall and then I do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I said that was too late.
Sorry, it's not my fault that this computer's so... This R button does not work. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. 3, 2, 1. He died. Very sad death. What was his name? Sneeze! Sneeze! You need pepper to sneeze.
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm just kidding. Go over here because the light is so annoying from outside.
Have
Shut
you checked your email?
No. 3, 2, 1. Next one, we're gonna do the notes and then you're gonna dance. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. Ah! He's hitting my butt now. Ah!